A flurry of earthquakes has hit Earth's Pacific plate over the past week, renewing fears a massive tremor is on the way after 4 disasters jolted the region in January. Quakes have hit near Japan, Guam and Taiwan around the planet's so-called Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped zone that is a hotbed for tectonic and volcanic activity. Some have suggested the frequency and proximity of the tremors are signs of a bigger earthquake to come. Experts have claimed events around the Ring of Fire are rarely linked and that in most cases adjacent disasters are a coincidence. Scroll down for video. After a series of quakes hit the Ring of Fire last month, a 6.4 quake struck Taiwan's east coast on February 6, killing 17 people and injuring at least 180. A series of tremors reaching magnitude 5.7, 5.6, 5.4 and 4.9 shook the U.S. island territory of Guam early on Tuesday. And since February 11, 3 earthquakes have struck Japan, a 4.8 magnitude quake 103 kilometers from Horseshoe, a 4.5 magnitude quake 55 kilometers from Nemuro, and a 4.5 magnitude earthquake 103 kilometers from Tokunoshima. But scientists say such activity is normal for the Ring of Fire, adding that there is no chance of a domino effect triggering a larger quake. The Pacific Rim is in a period of activity, Toshiyasu Nagao, head of Tokyo-based Tokyo University's Earthquake Prediction Research Center, told Japan Times. In terms of volcanic history, however, the current activity is still regarded as normal. Dr. Janine Krippner, a volcanologist at Concord University in Athens, West Virginia, tweeted, "It's not referred to as the Ring of Fire because it sits there doing nothing. It is normal to have so much activity." At least 4 natural disasters jolted the Pacific Rim in January, including a 7.9 magnitude earthquake in Kodiak, Alaska, which sparked a tsunami warning. A 6.4 quake hit Indonesia the same week, and Mount Kusatsushirain in Japan erupted, killing 1 and injuring 15. Also in January, Mount Mayon in the Philippines sent lava 600 meters, 1,970 feet, into the air, forcing 61,000 people to evacuate from nearby villages as thick smoke descended from the mountain. Some researchers, however, said that this string of events in January were not connected. There's not really likely to be any connection, Professor Chris Elders, a geologist at Curtin University in Perth, Australia, told the New Daily. While they do indeed have the same origin, the Ring of Fire, these recent events are a coincidence. The region itself is a breeding ground for seismic activity. Roughly 90% of the world's earthquakes occur in the Ring of Fire, a Pacific region home to 3 and 4 of the world's active volcanoes. The ring loops from New Zealand to Chile, passing through the coasts of Asia and the Americas on the way. The region is susceptible to disasters because it is home to a vast number of subduction zones, areas where tectonic plates overlap. Following from January's events, a 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck Taiwan's east coast on February 6, causing a hotel to collapse and injuring at least 180 people and killing 17.